Good morning, students. Welcome back to my class. Hope you all are doing good and studying the trigonometry chapter, which is very important. Let's start 11.4. Second question. I'll just read out question for you all. Show that cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square is equals to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. That is cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. Cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. Cosecant can be written as 1 by sine. As you all know, cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sine, and cot theta can be written as cos by sine. Cosecant can be written as 1 by sine theta, and cot theta can be written as cos theta by sine theta whole square. Now take LCM. LCM is sine theta. LCM is sine theta whole square as it is. LCM is sine theta. Since sine theta is there in both the denominators, write numerator as it is, that is 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta. Square is both for numerator and denominator. Square is both for numerator and denominator. So how we are going to write? 1 minus cos theta whole square by sine square theta. 1 minus cos theta whole square. A square can be written as A into A. A square can be written as A into A. So 1 minus cos theta whole square can be written as 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, and again by identity sine square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. Sine square theta is 1 minus cos square theta by 1 minus cos square theta. 1 can be, I can express 1 as 1 square. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 square 1. 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by A square minus B square. A square minus B square is nothing but A minus B into A plus B. A minus B into A plus B. A square minus B square is A minus B into A plus B. So 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta get cancelled. What is remaining? That is your, what you have to prove, that is 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Yeah, next problem. Third problem. Show that root of 1 plus sine A by 1 minus sine A is equals to secant A plus tan A. Root of 1 plus sine A by 1 minus sine A. Whenever there is root, you have to multiply numerator and denominator by the conjugate of this, that is 1 plus sine A. We have to multiply numerator and denominator by 1 plus sine A. That is root of, denominator you notice 1 minus sine A into 1 plus sine A. Numerator 1 plus sine A into 1 plus sine A into 1 plus sine A. root of a into a is a square. A into a is a square. So 1 plus sine a into 1 plus sine a is 1 plus sine a whole square. And denominator, what do you notice? A minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. Identity is a square minus b square. Identity is a square minus b square. That is 1 square minus sine square a. Back to the identity. 1 minus sine square theta. 1 minus sine square theta is nothing but 1 square is 1. 1 minus sine square a. 1 minus sine square a is nothing but cos square a. That is root of 1 plus sine a whole square by cos square a according to our identity. 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. So 1 minus sine square, in the place of 1 minus, what I am putting? Cos square a. What I am putting? Cos square a. Square, I am taking common for both numerator and denominator. I am taking square common for both denominator and numerator. That is 1 plus sine a by cos a whole square. Square and root get cancelled. Square and root get cancelled. What is left? 1 plus sine a by cos a. Split it up, denominator. That is 1 by cos a plus sine a by cos a. 1 by cos a. 1 by cos. 1 by cos is nothing but secant. 1 by cos theta is secant theta. So 1 by cos a is secant a plus sine a by cos a. That is sine theta by cos theta. Sine theta by cos theta is tan theta. Sine theta by cos theta is tan theta. So sine a by cos a is tan a. Hence proved. Hope today's explanation was clear. Repeat the video again and again for better understanding. Do the problems again and again. These are all very important problems. Your assignment is you are going to do first bit, second bit, third bit as an homework, and be ready by the next class. Have a good day. Thank you.